Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Medisafe app, a powerful tool to help you manage your medication, set reminders and stay on top of your health. Let's get started. Medisafe is a free medication management app that helps you remember to take your medications on time. It can track prescriptions and send reminders, monitor refill dates and even alert family members if doses are missed. It's available on iOS and Android. Now to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app. If you haven't, so search Medisafe on your search bar at the top, then tap on the icon, then tap on install and open up your app. Once you open the app, sign up with email or log in using Google. Allow notifications so the app can send medication reminders. Now inside the home page, you can see add medication tab right here on the bottom of your page. So tap on that, then enter the name of the medication, doses and form, pill, injection, etc. Whatever you have, set your schedule, frequency, time of the day and start date. You can also add notes like take with food or avoid alcohol. Then tap save and your medication will appear on the main dashboard. Now for setting reminders and notification, Medisafe will automatically send notification at the scheduled times. You can customize alerts with sound, snooze options or repeat reminders. If you miss a dose, the app will notify you again and track missed medications. So here's the notification for tracking report. The app shows a daily and weekly overview of your medication intake. You can see adherence report, which are helpful for doctors or personal tracking. Add family or caregivers to share your progress and alerts with them. Alerts when your prescription is running low. Check for conflicts between medications. Track blood pressure, weight, glucose or other health data. Medisafe Premium offers extra features like unlimited tracking, cloud backup and many more. Set multiple reminders for medications taken at different times. Use the notes section for special instructions from your doctor. Sync the app family members to stay accountable. And that is how you can use the Medisafe app step by step. It is simple and reliable way to stay on your top of your medications and health. I hope this video helped you out. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.